Another thing we all love about David Archuleta is the way he interprets the songs and make them sound really inspiring. Nakita natin ang talent niyang ito, especially during the Inspirational Song Week ng American Idol Season 7, kung saan inawit niya ang Robbie Williams original na Angels. Ngayong umaga, isa yan sa mga kantang maririnig natin sa matinding saludo natin kay David Archuleta. Kaya narito ang Pinoy pop superstar balladeer na si Harry Santos with Angels.
Seven dozen angels contemplate my face. Do they know the places where we go when we're gray and old? Yes, I've been told that salvation lets their wings unfold. So when I'm lying in my bed, thoughts running through my head, and you feel the love is there, I'm loving angels instead. You and she offers me protection, blood of love and affection, whether I'm right or wrong, and down the waterfall, wherever it may take me, I know the love won't break me. When it comes to God, she won't forsake me. I'm loving angels instead.
Thank you! Thank you, Harry!
Oh my God.
Saka tumatabi na. Ano to? What is
Wala
it?
na.
Nako.
Sorry, binawin na ang mga kamera.
Oo. Eto.
Thank
What can
you,
you say?
Harry.
What can you say? What can you say?
I'm just like blown away by everyone here. It's like I feel stupid being here now. It's like, oh my gosh, why are we? Well, this show's about me. It should be about everyone here. It's crazy, man. Awesome
Kung tayo
job, though.
na-overwhelmed.
Man,
I
how long
don't
have you
think
been
siya.
singing?
Well, I started joining
Talent
your contest at your age when you were like 18.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh, cool.
Well, he's still 18.
but I'm not. I'm no longer 18. I'm no longer 18.
I mean, I don't act like I'm 18 though. I act like I'm 14. It's just-
Such a cutie, no? Okay.
Anyway, thank you so much, Harry.
Thank you,
Thank you.
How does it feel to inspire a lot of people? A lot of young people.
Yes.
Oh,
Young
man.
kids?
It's so neat. It's just neat getting to meet kids who just say, we really looked up to you, and thanks for just the example you showed and stuff. And it's just really cool. It's like it's not like I was like trying to be this role model or anything.
something.
I was just being who I was and knowing that was enough for people to to influence people was really neat to see. And it's like, you just have to be yourself. And just knowing that, trying to do my best and, try and be a good person, even though I'm weird and stuff, it's good to know that it helps kids, and, to see that they're inspired musically, too, is really cool to see. And, I've had a couple of kids come up to me and just they'll sing a song sing one of my songs to me. It's so cool. And it's just neat. It's like some of these kids are like 9, 10 and stuff.
Yeah, my kids
And
over
maybe
there, they're
younger.
only 8. They really
yeah?
love your songs.
Oh, well, your kids?
Yes.
Oh, where are your
I have
kids?
twins.
There.
Kathy, say hi.
Kathy, say hi.
Say
hi.
Ma'am, that's
Hi.
my kid. I have
Hi.
twins. Maddie,
Oh,
and
oh,
then that's
cool.
my... Yeah. And the
Hi.
cousins. They all love your songs.
Aw.
Anyway, okay.
Eto,
Moving
ituloy
on.
pa natin ang matinding saludo sa American Idol na hinahangaan din nating mga Pinoy to sing David's latest single here, Renzo Almario and Pocholo Bismonte with Touch My Hand.
Saw you from a distance. Saw you from the States. as far as you can. Only me, only you, and the band. Trying to reach out to you, touch my hand. Can't let the music stop. Can't let this feeling end. 'Cause if I do, it'll all be over. I'll never see you again. Can't let the music stop until I touch your hand. 'Cause if I do, it'll all be over. I'll never get the chance again. I'll never get the chance again. Try to reach out to you, touch my hand.
Thank you po, Talent Renzo.
Automatic na
Oh,
pumupunta
you
sa
guys.
likod, di ba?
Oh, David.
13. Oh, that's awesome. Great. That's so cool.
So what can you say about the performance? They also started very young.
Yes.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
came from talent searches as well.
Mhm.
How did you guys start then?
How old
How
are you?
old?
How old are you?
You're only 13. That's cool.
10? You were 10.
You were
Since I was
10?
10. No, since I was 10.
Since
I
you were
started
10?
joining contests at the age of 10.
Oh, wow.
Yan.
That's
Renzo.
crazy. So you've only been singing for like 3 years. That's cool.
Eto
Man.
na. Kailangan ba ng tubig? Gusto mo ba ng
Gusto
tubig?
niyo ba ng tubig? You wanted water
Para
to drink?
mahihimatay na siya.
Okay?
What?
They are so overwhelmed.
They're so
Oh, yeah.
overwhelmed. They
Oh,
can't
wow.
say everybody's so...
Man, well, you guys did a great job, man. It
Hindi
was like a different. It was like a different.
My God, Renzo, hello. Are you okay?
8 going to 9, yun.
Oh, yeah, okay. He started what he was saying.
Oh,
Couldn't talk
he's
about
your
it.
number one fan.
Oh,
That's
what?
why he's
Really?
like that.
Oh,
Ano,
that's
para
cool.
mahihimatay na talaga siya, di
He's
ba?
about ready to faint.
Oh, we should take a picture.
Okay, I'm gonna take your
Hey.
picture.
David said to take a picture.
Wala na akong magagawa. Si David na nagsabi.
Can't do anything.
Smile! 1, 2, 3, go! Alright, thank you so much. You are so nice, I swear.
Thank
Okay!
you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you! Up next, naku, ito na ang pinakahihintay talaga
Pinakahihintay natin!
Ito na, maririnig na natin ang pagkanta ni David Archuleta sa pagbabalik yan ng